Student, today we learn what are the different operations done on a shaper and name the respective tool used. Different operation on a shaper and respective tool use. A shaper use single point cutting tool. Different operation on a shaper are: number 1, horizontal flat surface; number 2, vertical flat surface; number 3, inclined flat surface; number 4, curved surface; number 5, cutting slot, keyway, etc. Now, for horizontal flat surface, tool use planing tool. For vertical flat surface, tool use side cutting tool. For inclined flat surface, tool use dovetail cutting tool. For curved surface on a shaper machine, tool use form tool. For cutting slot, keyway, etc., tool use slotting tool. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.